Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I gonna show you how to make an opening video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's dive in. The first thing, you need to go to Video Library from CapCut. Select black video without anything to make a text background. You can drag it to the timeline. Select YouTube video size. Mute this video to prevent copyright. Okay, now select text. Select default text. And drag it to the timeline. Let's write what you wanted. I write subscribe for more. Okay, now make it to the bold text and select the font what you wanted. Now you just save this video first. You can change file name easy to find it. Okay, now delete it all, and import new videos. I muted and changed video speed to get long and smooth video. Drag your saved video to the timeline. Add keyframe here to keep video scale. I adjust it 1 second. Back to basic. You need to move it up. Select video text effect and right-click to select copy. And right-click to paste it to the timeline. Keep the first keyframe. Okay, this is the result that we wanted. Now I trim all video in the timeline. And finally, you can save your video. Let's try to do it. Follow me step by step.